5 days आप चले गए, 5 दिन चले गए,
Hmm.
लेकिन कोई
Hmm.
रिपोर्ट नहीं आया. देयर इज नो
Okay.
रिपोर्ट विदाउट
Okay.
5 days.
Yeah.
अगर आपको कोविड है,
Huh.
then neighbors and the colonies, the people who lived in their colonies,
Hmm.
are started ignoring you कि हाँ आपको कोविड है.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
After that, where is the report? Where is the report? Where is the report? We are tired of thinking where is the report. It's a very very depression. What I said कि
Yeah.
पूरा कोलकाता घूम लिए है, एक हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल ग्रेजुअली नीचे जा रहा है. एवरी डे प्राइम मिनिस्टर हम लोग के जो अमित शाह जी है, हर
Yeah.
रोज यहाँ पे आते थे, हर रोज रैलियां करते थे.
So hello everyone, welcome to the Unknowns, and today we have with us Sayantan Chakrabarti. So Sayantan, it would be better that if you give your introduction.
There is no introduction about me. I'm the friend of Akash, and very thank you to give me that opportunity. That also thank to Subhendu that you people give me
Yeah,
the opportunity
Subhendu
to
is
talk.
not able to come today because of the situation, the bad weather
Yes,
in
I know. The
Mumbai.
situation in Mumbai. I know. No
Yeah, but
problem. So how are you?
actually, I am great, and for all of us who are for all of you who are seeing this, me and Sayantan are actually friends also from our college, and so it
Yes.
will be a very casual talk. And also, Sayantan is here to you know share his journey about what happened in this COVID because his parents got COVID positive. So he told me that he wanted to share this journey, and it's our pleasure to give him a
Yes.
platform. It's a big pleasure for us to give up this platform. So, Sayantan, what was the COVID situation like? Like your parents got COVID positive. How was it like? First of all, when you got to
Yes.
know that, how was the reaction?
It's not a one day matter. Okay. At first, I will
Hmm.
tell you that this thing is not one day matter. At first, when fever when उनको जब fever हुआ था, actually when fever come, we
Hmm.
don't actually think about COVID. ये
Hmm.
कोई नहीं
Hmm.
सोचता है,
Hmm.
कोई नहीं सोचता है. Everyone so thought कि नहीं को COVID नहीं है, it's some simple viral fever. But
Yeah.
there's a but.
Yeah.
Uh, at the date is maybe 17th of April. April था.
Hmm.
Yes,
Hmm. Hmm.
17th of April. 17th of April afternoon, my father uh, got fever.
Okay.
It's a mild fever. It's a mild fever and with the mild cough and something. Some 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 sort of simple symptom that's very similar to other fevers
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's a very similar thing. But uh, after that, take paracetamol and it gets normal and it's okay. No, nothing to think about. रात को बुखार ठीक हो गया. That's all.
Hmm.
Something
Hmm.
fine. After that, the uh, 18th रात को, yes,
Hmm.
18th रात को, there's
Yeah.
a again my father get fever and this time it's a very serious one because 100 for the temperature get 104 degree Fahrenheit. It's a
104.
very notable. It's a very
Okay. Okay.
high
Yeah.
temperature.
Yeah.
But again it took Calpol. Calpol दिए थे और लेने के बाद ठीक हो गया था. ठीक हो गया था 20 तारीख को of 20th. My
Yeah.
father has to take his second dose of COVID vaccine.
Okay,
Second
okay.
dose has to
Hmm.
be
So
20.
he was
So
the
most
first dose was given to him, and then also he
uh,
got COVID positive.
then also is got
Yeah,
COVID
so
positive.
everyone who is listening, even if you have got one dose,
Yes, I
it's not enough.
yes.
It's not enough. So this is very, yeah, yeah, Santan, go ahead.
Even if second dose is given to you, please
After
keep
15 days, I think, after 15 days of
after
having
15
the
days
second dose, you are
dose
secured.
secured.
Yeah.
Secured with 70%. It's not actually
Okay,
100%.
okay, okay.
Okay, the my fever is over, and we thought ki it's okay. It's a normal viral fever. It's happened to us all. So it's
Hmm.
over, and my father go to the municipality and took the second dose of vaccine. So after that, on that day, afternoon 3 p.m. 3
Hmm.
p.m. उनको फिर से फीवर आया एंड वैक्सीन लेने के बाद सबको फीवर आता है वेरी
Yeah,
कॉमन
yeah,
थिंग
yeah.
टू
Very
अस
true. Very true.
डॉक्टर सेड आल्सो कि वैक्सीन लेने के बाद अगर फीवर आता है
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
इट्स अ गुड थिंग
Yeah.
फीवर आया एंड इट्स ओके पैरासिटामोल लिए फिर से कोई देयर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन टू अस
So this is about the day when he got the second dose.
यस
Second dose. Okay.
सेकंड डोज आफ्टरनून 3 p.m.
Afternoon. Okay.
then after at that point of time 20 तारीख से 30 तारीख तक
Hmm.
continuously
Hmm.
got fever 10 दिन तक
Okay.
fever the
Okay.
very
Okay.
severe thing and हम बता रहे हैं 21 तारीख को 21st of April
Yeah.
goes to the local hospital and
Yeah.
local government hospital actually
Hmm.
local
Hmm.
government
Hmm.
hospital and tested from doing test for COVID COVID-19
Hmm.
test we have
Hmm.
done तो भाई मेरे फादर पापा के लिए किए। तो
Hmm.
उसके बाद बट देयर इज अ ब्लंडर देयर इज अ बिग ब्लंडर वी हैव डन कि हम लोग कोलकाता में आके उसको नहीं करवाए थे जैसे लोकल हॉस्पिटल वेरी गो एंड वेरी वेंट एक्चुअली
Okay.
and we tested the COVID test
Hmm. Hmm.
where COVID test happened so it's not it's not the time to rely upon the government because
Hmm.
in Bengal at that time the election is continuously
Yeah.
happening.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So there is no government at that point of time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Election Commission, maybe. I think it's under the Election
Yes,
Commission. Yeah.
that is the election commission. So it's a bad decision for us कि हम लोग government hospital में गए. So, okay, no problem. But the
Okay. What
report
was the
as it
situation like?
comes,
What was the situation like in the government
because
hospital?
there's no management there is no management of taking the samples and then get कि yes sample is collected like every other hospitals like
Yeah,
every other
yeah.
government hospitals
Government hospital. Yeah.
yes every other government because there is no infrastructure to take the sample properly then second of all कि आपको verify कर दिया जाए कि yes it's you are from you the sample was taken and then also yeah, they told कि 3 दिन के बाद हमको रिपोर्ट मिल जाएगा they
Hmm.
told that
Hmm.
they assured us that after 3 days we got the positive or negative report whatever it is
Yeah, yeah.
got that but 5 days are चले गए 5 दिन चले
Hmm.
गए लेकिन कोई
Hmm.
रिपोर्ट नहीं आया there is no
Okay.
report without
Okay.
5 days and
Okay.
the and the with तब तक हम लोग को नहीं पता था कि पापा को फीवर है मतलब
Corona
पापा
है.
को वो फीवर है
Hmm.
कोविड फीवर है तो नहीं पता था तो यार कंटिन्यूअसली गिविंग पैरासिटामोल लेने का 3-4 घंटे बाद तक
Hmm.
फीवर नहीं आता था फिर फीवर आ जाता था फिर पैरासिटामोल लेता था इट्स कंटिन्यूअसली हैपनिंग बट after that we goes to our family physician is our family physician
Hmm. Hmm.
in Kolkata
Hmm.
पास गए कोलकाता में उनके पास जाने के वो he suggested me to do the HRCT thorax test it is a CT scan for chest
Hmm. Hmm.
HRCT thorax test
Hmm.
CT scan for chest after seeing the CT scan reports it is
Hmm. Yeah.
said that it is a COVID positive patient he is a COVID positive patient
Okay, so the physician said until now the report has not come.
there is no
Oh
confirmation from the
man.
government there is no
Okay.
confirmation from the government कि आपको कोविड है अब
Hmm.
अभी इस टाइम पे हो रहा है लेकिन उस टाइम पे नहीं नॉट देयर तो वेरी तो बहुत हैरेसमेंट पे फेस करना पड़ा इसके चलते बता रहे बात
Yeah,
what
yeah.
happened what happened then we know that papa get covid positive and it's a
Hmm.
very stressful one and distressful to us because
Yeah, very true. That was actually my next question. That when your parents get COVID positive, how stressful is that? It might be, because
very stressful
after that you have to, take care of everything. You have to be a guardian sort of a person in your family. So how was it like?
exactly you have to take care you have to yes exactly but
Hmm.
uh, at that point of time we rely upon our the family physician. He give all
Hmm.
the
Hmm. Hmm.
give us
Hmm.
the some medicine That's a really good. That works actually. They works.
Yeah, yeah.
After taking this, the frequency of fever is getting low. मतलब सब हर समय में फीवर नहीं आ रहा था उन लोग को कभी रात
Hmm.
में आ जा रहा है कभी दोपहर में आ जाता था बस था फीवर 99 97 ऐसे उनका बॉडी टेम्परेचर था लेकिन there is a big thing that we ignored.
Okay.
I suggested everyone that please don't ignore that कि रिपोर्ट आपके पास होना चाहिए. It's a very mandatory thing for every COVID patient.
Yeah, yeah, right.
You should keep your report positive report. हम लोग
Hmm.
ने उसको नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया था जस्ट बिकॉज कि हाँ हमको पता है कि पॉजिटिव है और तो दवाई भी तो ले रहे हैं.
Like there
You
was
know
no
what
report.
happened.
There was no report. Like the test you took from the government hospital, there was no
Government hospital,
report.
there is no report. No,
Okay, okay.
there is no. You know what happened in colonies like there's some local colonies. What happened?
Yeah.
अगर आपको कोविड है,
Huh.
then uh, neighbors and the colonies, the people who lived in their colonies,
Hmm.
have started ignoring you कि हाँ आपको कोविड है.
Very true. Very true. Very
The,
true.
the
They
thing
see you as someone very different when
very
you
different.
get.
देखिए
Yeah.
हम लोग के 4 हाथ है 2 नाक है ऐसे.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But it's not. It's actually not like that
Hmm.
कि हम लोग के पास 4 आँख है. नहीं है.
Hmm.
Then it becomes the situation gets. Then after the situation gets complicated कि उसके बाद आपको वो फेस करना पड़ता है जो कभी नहीं फेस करना पड़ा था. इग्नोरेंस ऑफ यू नहीं. They ignored you to help you. They actually they resist you to do the resist the mates who come in your house and आपको घर को साफ रखते हैं खाना बनाते हैं उन लोग को नहीं आने देते हैं. It's a very very workload for my mom and others who are in my family. It's happening.
Very true.
So
Like I just yesterday I saw a post that somewhere a daughter died of a person and he took him to the took her to the crematorium all by himself on his shoulder because no one was the neighbor were not ready to help. So
not ready to help
that's
them.
really
No,
situation here.
no one to help you when you get COVID. But it's happening कि मेरे फैमिली में जितने लोग थे they are very very supporting and I am thankful to them कि वो लोग मेरे बगल में खड़े रहे. And
Yeah.
it's
Definitely.
a I don't know why I don't know how it's happened but उन लोग का जो support था it's like a god level support. I have
Who were the others? Like how many people?
like my elder brother,
Yeah.
my elder brother, my sister, uh, my sister के husband
Okay.
and and I have two sisters. I have two elder sisters actually, and their husbands also. They also supported us. My uh, cousins, they are supported me
Yeah.
very, very, very. I'm just
Great.
thankful to them.
Great.
Okay, so after that, after taking that medicine, after taking the family physician's medicine, my father get recovered. I think हमको देख के लग रहा था कि वो recover कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
After that, a blunder happened.
Okay, which medicine were you giving? If you can tell to our viewers, which were the medicines?
Yes, I tell you the viewers, but I don't suggest कि वही medicine आप लोग ले
हाँ.
because
No, we are not saying
the
that.
concern from uh,
The
physician.
doctor, yeah.
Yes. It's Apigat, Apigat 5 mg, one medicine, and it's a Stramlo, it's one another Dexamethasone, it's another. So 3 medicine we've taken.
Okay.
Okay. After that, what happened? Where I am? Yes. After the big blunder happened. After that, कि हमको लग रहा था कि कोविड में रिकवर कर रहे हैं, मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं. There is a big blunder. What blunder? His oxygen level falls from 92 to 70. It's
Okay.
a sharp fall. It happened in COVID. It's a very not natural.
Yeah.
We don't know.
Especially in the second wave, it has happened a lot.
Yes, exactly. This strain affect directly in your oxygen level, directly in your lungs. It's a very, very, very bad thing whose lungs are very weak, So, to 92 to 70, the downfall is very sharp. And I hardly managed to get a oxygen cylinder from my municipality. I go exposed them and I requested that they please give me that this is the position. They don't give me because it's a it's a high time, it's a high time.
Yeah.
हॉस्पिटल्स में ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा है तो हम लोग को कैसे एक इंडिविजुअल को मिलेगा.
Very
So
true.
this happened. I requested them, and yes, I have given some influence. I have some influence and call them and say, "Ki, this has happened. Please help us with what I did." They managed us a oxygen cylinder. I
Okay.
took it in my house and given to my father. The oxygen cylinder रखी आपको nasal से चलाए. After even after that, oxygen support pay me. So his oxygen level increased from 70 to 91, 92. It's, after that, with the oxygen support, my father's oxygen level is 91, 92. कभी कभी 93 भी जा रहा था. So we hope
Okay.
कि वो recover कर जाएंगे. But
Okay,
without
what is the
oxygen level,
average? What is the average level a person should have, if you can tell us?
if it's the tendency, it is 95. If you have not
Okay.
95 oxygen level, you should go to your physician and test.
Okay.
Okay. अगर आपका लंग्स का हालत उस तरह का नहीं है कि 95 से ऊपर नहीं जाता कभी, then it's okay. But 95 is a very average thing. आपको 90 के नीचे लगो तो मैंडेटरीली आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा हॉस्पिटल. It's a very urgent thing. Go and hospital and
And
check
it
you.
went to
If you have
70,
checked you
bro.
and
It
then
went to
admitted you.
it went to 70 with her dad, so it would have been very severe.
Very, very serious.
Yeah.
So after this thing happened to us, we are very, very scared about what happened to do, what next. We don't know because there is no guidelines. There is no guidelines at that point of time. Now it's happening.
Yeah.
I continue thinking now it's happening, but at that point of time there is no guidelines. ये क्या करना है? So we just take him from that from our house. एम्बुलेंस जुगाड़ना भी बहुत बड़ा काम था. I actually वहाँ पर भी सेम चीज कि we have to take help from some influence, from some political influence. Everyone takes
Well,
the
that's.
political influence. We take the help and they managed us up ambulance. And normal people without any influence, I hardly think at that point of time उनको एम्बुलेंस मिलता.
Right.
I don't think so. मिला हम लोग को उसको लेके पापा को लेके निकल आए और एक गवर्नमेंट नहीं हम लोग पहले who lived in Kolkata, they know that there is a hospital called Amri Mukundapur Amri, but
Okay.
who not lived in there, they don't. It's a private hospital actually. It was a private hospital and with no हम लोग पहले से जानते थे कि यहाँ पे बेड खाली है. If there is a bed for that kind of patients whose oxygen level is that low, we know that and so we come. Then ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं से भी आ गए. We know that we had that confirmation. So we go there and just enter the house and the first question they ask us at that ward, वो लोग चेक कर लिए उसके बाद हम लोग को उस वार्ड में लेके गए जिस वार्ड में कोविड पेशेंट्स रहते हैं. The first question they have asked is, where is the report? Where is your report? Where is the positive report? We said there is no report because government अभी तक हम लोग कोई report provide नहीं किया. So we say कि there is no report.
So after 5 days, did you went to the hospital and tried for the report, or after
Yes,
5
yes.
days you were like, okay, now we know? So after 5 days also you have gone to the hospital and they did not give the report. How
They
many
didn't even
days?
respond to us.
So how many days it would have been?
We don't receive it yet. अभी तक हम लोग को नहीं मिला है वो report.
Okay,
There's a 20 or 23 days happened. But
and you
हम लोग को अभी
live
तक
in
नहीं.
proper Kolkata.
Yeah, I live in proper Kolkata. It happened.
So this is the situation in Kolkata. Such a
Right
high-tech
now.
developed city. We can just think of the situation in other places. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, go
थोड़ा
ahead.
सा
sir.
आउटस्कर्ट्स जाओगे तो और क्या दिक्कत होगा हमको नहीं पता. But it's happened to me. I know that.
Yeah.
बाहर लोग बोलते तो हमको उतना भरोसा नहीं था. But it happened to me. I know the situation what happened.
Yeah.
But it is the starting, not the finishing. It's the starting of our harassment actually. What harassment? We go there, we go to the private hospital, we say that this kind of patient and this is the medical checkup we have done. there is two or more checkups, that is CRP test and D-dimer test, that is very common to every COVID patient. So we provide them all the test reports. There is a CRP, there's the D-dimer test, there is a HSCT thorax test, CT scan.
Mhm.
They said, yes, we know all these things. We have to done all these things again from ourselves. But where is the positive report? On which basis we should
Admit him.
admit the patient?
Yeah.
On which basis? हो ही सकता है क्या उनको नहीं है? हो ही सकता है कि
Yeah,
उनको है.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
कौन
yeah.
से कौन से वार्ड पे उनको एडमिट कर लिया?
Very true.
There is nothing to answer him. There is nothing to answer him because we have no report. So after that refusal, we we hire a ambulance. We hire a private ambulance. We actually then my father. We take my father.
Yeah, I don't
And
want you to reveal the amount, but it must have costed something, right? The ambulance.
I can't return that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a huge amount. So after that, ambulance को लेके पूरा कोलकाता go. Lot of big private hospitals who know that, big and renowned private hospitals. Every hospital has that what need.
Here is the report.
Where is your positive report? Where is the report?
So can't they have the
Said,
test?
we have no report.
Can't they have the test like the private
No,
hospital?
where we go? No. Private hospitals are not tested. Not the उन लोग के पास टेस्ट करने का वो नहीं है, मतलब लाइसेंस नहीं.
Okay.
Some private labs, some private labs. There is some private hospital. I don't say कि सब में नहीं है, लेकिन जिसमें
Yeah,
हम
yeah.
लोग हैं तो उसमें नहीं है.
Okay.
And every government hospital has that facility to test COVID patient कि इनके
Yeah,
टेस्ट
yeah.
है कि नहीं है. अभी इस पॉइंट पे there is a non-COVID ward, that the COVID suspected ward. If in every hospital there is a ward called non-COVID ward or COVID suspected ward, where COVID suspected patient are admitted.
Yeah.
Then उस टाइम पे वो नहीं था. उस टाइम पे
Okay.
वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था वो concept.
Okay.
कि किसी का रिपोर्ट नहीं आया है तो वो फिर आ गया है. It's a very unique case. So after that, where is the report? We are tired of things. Where is the report? It's a very depression. What I said, the harassment we faced is
Yeah, bro.
insane.
Yeah.
insane. पूरा कोलकाता घूम लिए है, एक हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल ग्रेजुअली नीचे जा रहा है. I know what. I have no words.
How was the situation of your father? Like we understand that the oxygen level were
Without that
down, but
oxygen level,
no, but
without that oxygen level,
it was showing something on him. Like was he not able to breathe easily, or was there something like that? Or it was
yes,
just yeah.
yes, there is a breathing problem in him when he's walked from uh, room to bathroom or room to somewhere else. There is a severe. I said again, severe breathing problem हो रहा था.
Okay.
There is a severe breathing problem. So after that, after get refused from every other hospitals, हम लोग के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल पे जाए. एक बार गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से हम लोग मतलब खराब चीज फेस कर चुके हैं कि हम लोग कभी रिपोर्ट नहीं मिला है. उसके बाद भी फिर से हम लोग को गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल छोड़ के देयर इज नो अदर वे आउट.
Option. Yeah.
But there is no way out. So but there is the same problem. They asked us where is the report. But there is a thing कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में वो है कि आप लोग को टेस्ट करवाया जाएगा कि पेशेंट इज दिस पेशेंट इज कोविड पॉजिटिव और नॉट. लेकिन the competition we have is insane. When you go in a private government hospital,
Yeah.
you see तुमसे मतलब आप मेरे पापा से ज्यादा खराब वाला पेशेंट भी बाहर पड़ा है.
Very true.
मेरे पापा से उस टाइम पे मेरे पापा को ना कोई और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, बट मेरे पापा से भी खराब वाले सिचुएशन वाले पेशेंट भी बाहर ही पड़े, देयर इज नो वे
Yeah,
विद देम। तो हम लोग को नहीं लग रहा था कि हम लोग कुछ कर पाएंगे,
yeah,
कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, बट also there is I have we have to uh, admit him without without that antibiotics that has been provided from hospitals, it's impossible to what I'm um, I'm to tell. Okay? So after that, uh, one family friend of us suggested us to
yeah.
go in a non-COVID hospital and check you check yourself out at first. He suggested. Then they referred us in a government hospital. So we go there. We go there. We uh, go in the Vidyasagar State General Hospital in Behala. There's Behala famous for Saurav Ganguly's birthplace. Okay. So in Behala there is a hospital, non-COVID hospital. There is no COVID hospital. Non-COVID hospital.
Mm,
First test occurs. There is a test
mm,
occurs. We
mm.
did a rapid antigen test. Rapid antigen, there is three types. There are two types of tests. That is RT-PCR and another is rapid antigen. So
Okay,
not RT-PCR. It is rapid antigen.
okay.
So after that rapid antigen test, after 1 hour, we get the report and we got to know it, at that point of time, we got to know that my father is COVID positive according to the government, not according
Okay,
to the
okay.
doctors, according to the
Yeah,
government.
yeah, yeah.
कि आपको COVID है.
Yeah,
Then
which date like around which date was this?
26, it's 26, 26
26.
of April.
Okay.
And we are traveling from whole day, you
And
know,
when did you guys, the first time when was the first time when you went and tested from the government
this
hospital?
21,
This
21st,
21st.
21st. At 26th of April, 26th of April, on that day, we हम लोग घर से निकले थे 3 बजे, that is 3 p.m. 1:05 पे मेरे पापा को बेड
Hmm.
in a government hospital. After roaming the whole hospital situation, after facing the whole hospital situation, 1:05 पे मेरे पापा को बेड,
In a government
एक
hospital.
जनरल बेड में, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल जनरल बेड. It's a very severe thing. It's absolutely a very severe thing. But मेरे पापा के कंडीशन बाकी लोग से अच्छा था because
Very true.
there is no regular disease like sugar, pressure,
Mm-hmm.
like that,
Yeah, yeah.
thyroid. इन तरह का बीमारी नहीं था. It's a very advantage for my father for my father to recover at that situation. So with the help of oxygen and with the help of antibiotics that have been provided by the doctors in the government hospital, my father gets recovered in 10 days. After 10
Okay.
days, my father discharged from the hospital and then अब तो घर पे है, अब थोड़ा ठीक है.
And
That's
what about your
99,
mother? Your
97.
mother is also positive, right?
My mother is also positive, but he's asymptomatic.
Okay, okay.
Positive, but asymptomatic.
Asymptomatic.
But I have to say one thing, that
Yeah.
the thing that has been done by the doctors in government or any other places, it's really the hats off to them what they have done. There are thousands of patients who are just lied on the ground. They also take care of him. कोई भी एक भी पेशेंट बाद नहीं जा रहा है, उनके पास जितना है वो कर रहा है. ये 100%, 110% केसेस है. I have to admit that government hospitals वो कोई private hospital हो, they have done their best.
Yeah.
I think if there is a degree of best, the higher degree of best, I have to say that photo. They have done that and hats off to them. जिस तरीके से ये काम उन्होंने किया है और कर रहे हैं
Yeah, very
कंटिन्यूअस,
true.
एंड और
Very
भी
true.
खराब दिन आ रहे हैं जिस तरीके से वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं.
Very true. Or
I'm
also,
thankful to them.
also with me, I haven't seen someone struggle so much because of COVID. But since you shared this, the whole story, and now I actually respect them a lot. And also, first thing that I would like to say here, to be honest, I was not thinking of this podcast to be so deep. I was like, okay, he will come and he will say, because I didn't knew that all this had happened. I was like, okay, because
I told you, I
just
told you, it's a
yeah, you
lots of
just
story and lots
yeah, it's
with
a
that
long
dog.
story. It's a very hectic story. It's a very horrendous story, and but
There
the
is also
biggest
something that I don't that I want to express, but I don't.
no no
वर्ड
no
से डिस्क्राइब नहीं हो पा रहा है जो
it
मन का
won't
हालत था उस
yeah
टाइम पे.
bro yeah I understand for a son to take his father to hospital to hospital it would have been very difficult but the thing is
What we
that you just
what we
came
see
here. Say
what
say.
we see what we see in the television from last year, that
Hmm.
happened to me actually. I laugh. उसके बाद हम सोच रहे थे that's happened to
Yeah,
me.
that is what I am
What is
saying.
this if
Yeah, since I have not seen something that close, that is why it is very difficult for me to even think what it would have been like. So
exactly
the thing is that again that I am saying that a big salute to all the frontline warriors who are working out there every day.
they're,
Every
they're,
day, a big
they're like
salute.
gods actually. They're like gods.
Absolutely. And secondly, a very huge respect for all those who have suffered COVID and recovered from it, including your
Absolutely
father, including your mother. I hope that they recover very fast. And to the family members
supported me. Yes,
who have supported
exactly.
definitely. So
I also want to share a small story. My
yeah.
father used to tell me, वो जब वहाँ पे थे उनको जो सिचुएशन फेस करना पड़ा, that
Mhm.
is insane because one patient, my father bed is there, my father bed, and just in front of that another patient bed is there. His oxygen level is six,
What? How much?
six. It is
Six.
zero six,
06.
06.
Oh man.
He said कि I'm lost in myself. ये क्या हो गया? क्या देख रहे हैं? आंखों के
Was he
सामने वो
conscious?
देख
Was
के
he
आए हैं जो हम लोग.
conscious?
See, no, he is not. This see, there is see actually. He is not conscious actually. From 2 days, it's not one day. 2 days. Giving him ventilator pressure, it's not going above 12 or 30. Very very tough conditions outside of
Very
our
tough
room.
condition. Very tough condition.
बोलना बहुत आसान है कि ये कर दीजिए वो कर दीजिए. It's a very very tough
Very
thing that
true.
I faced.
Very true. And I think, to be very honest, in this platform, we don't like to criticize someone and all, but
I don't like it
this
actually.
is this is this is something that the people of India should understand that if you don't focus on the main points, if you don't, ask your government, I'm not saying which government, whoever government there is, if you don't ask him that, ask that government that, what is happening on our medical front, what is happening on our educational front, this situation will, come again and again. So
Again and again.
focus on the worthy points instead of fighting on religion and all. There's a
All.
lot I want to say, but I won't. But just focus on the points
Yes, yes,
that
yes, yes.
matter.
Exactly, exactly.
Focus
I
on
have
the
to
points
tell
that
that
matter.
it,
Yeah,
this at that point of time, what happened in this year, it's a disaster that has been created by our government.
very
It's
true.
not only one government that I have want to make. It's
Yeah,
every government,
every
every the
government
state,
from the
the
state
election
government,
commission, the
hmm,
uh, the, uh,
central
the
government.
government of India. It's the thing.
Hmm.
It is created by them because क्या क्या जरूरत था कि इतने 5 स्टेट में इलेक्शन करवाने का? There's no point. There is no
Very true.
point.
And even if
जो
you are
पैसा
holding the election, don't at least put a ban on rallies. You can do that. You are election
yes
commission.
exactly.
At least
Exactly.
do that.
You are aware about कि second wave आएगा. You are aware. You
Yeah,
are
yeah,
aware by
yeah.
your expert team. You are aware by the doctors. You are aware from the other countries' situation.
Yeah, yeah,
Second
yeah.
wave आएगा तो
When it
बहुत ज़्यादा
happened
भयंकर
in
होगा.
UK and all those
US.
countries, it was yeah.
It happened there. You see that, and even after that, you conduct a uh, uh, election, and also the rallies. It's insane. It is
It's
insane.
insane. It's insane.
No
It's
one
not.
does. No
It's
one asks me why it is happening. We should pause the election for a second. We should pause our election for 1 year. After that, the election. ऐसा कौन सा कोई मतलब अर्जेंसी था कि इलेक्शन नहीं होगा तो लोग मर जाएंगे नहीं था ना. It has to be asked by state government, it has to be asked by the election commission, it has to be asked from the central government also. Because they know, but they don't do it.
Very true. Very true. I have got goosebumps after listening to this story. Again, I am saying that I was not thinking. I was in the starting also. I said that it will be a normal conversation, but it has been really deep. So
I
now
I just want कि people को पता चले कि
Yeah, yeah.
how they approach. जब हम लोग जिस गलत अप्रोच पे गए थे उन लोग इस गलत अप्रोच पे ना जाए. I just want that. I
Very
just
true.
want that कि a, a man who are positive of COVID-19 disease, if you have that mild fever also, go and test yourself. Go and test yourself. Please,
Very true.
it's a urgent request from me. If you have that mild cough, if you have mild fever also, you go to the testing center and test that. क्योंकि अभी जो टेस्ट हो रहा है अभी बहुत चीजें improve हुए हैं. At
Huh.
that point, it's a very uh, different situation. But at that point of time, the situation is changed a lot, changed a lot.
Very true.
Last
Very true.
last night or last from the before night, I have to check it. Yes, today is 17th, 15th को, today's 15th May. I have tested we three, my father, me, and my mother tested again कि कोविड मतलब अभी तो रिकवर कर रहे हैं अभी नेगेटिव है कि पॉजिटिव देखने
Hmm.
के लिए टेस्ट उसमें मेरा नेगेटिव आया my COVID is negative, but my
Hmm.
father and mother are still positive. They are
Hmm.
still positive, and I have to wear a mask every time for this podcast. I remove this,
Yeah,
but I
yeah,
have to
yeah.
put a mask every time. So, the, in one day, I get the report back. आपको कोविड है.
Okay,
There's a PDF
okay,
report from
okay.
the government कि आपके पास ये आपको ये symptoms है. आपका there is a protocol you have to follow. And then
Hmm.
I and my father received a call from the government. They said, he,
Hmm.
yes, uh, are you have any severe symptoms like oxygen falls or like breathing problem, etc., etc. We said no, we haven't yet. बोल रहे कि तो वो लोग बोले कि ओके तो आपके पास आपका अंदर क्या क्या सिम्टम्स है तो बोले कि वी आर रिकवरिंग फ्रॉम इट तो वी आर स्टिल पॉजिटिव बोले कि ओ अच्छा अच्छा. But then they suggest us if you had any urgency, go this local government hospital. There is a vacancy of beds. If you have that more critical condition, then you go there and you have ICU beds, vacant ICU beds there. So it happened. Now at that
Yeah,
point
so
of time, it happened.
things are
Things
getting
have
better.
happened. I don't think कि चीज हो नहीं रहे हैं हो रहा है अभी हो रहा है जो पहले होना चाहिए था तो 3 4 महीना
This
चार
is
महीना
very
पहले होना
true.
चाहिए
This
था
is very true.
वो अभी हो रहा है.
Uh,
अगर वी आर देयर इज अ saying कि prevention is better than cure. if we
hmm.
if we understand this situation is I think this situation is prevented by us,
Very true.
but we don't do that. We are more focusing on rallies or elections, although there is no change in rallies. Rally करके भी कोई change नहीं हुआ फिर भी.
Okay, we are coming to that point. Because I was, Sayantan is a person who is highly opinionated on the political front, and I was going to ask this. This podcast was going to be that mostly about that, but thanks for sharing your experience. First of all, now moving on to the election part. Do you think that the rallies that happened were a major cause for the second wave in Bengal, or was it, since it was happening in all other places, like the second wave came in across India, was it just the same as that, or did rallies enhance the situation?
If there is no rallies, if there is no elections conducted yet, अगर नहीं होता कोई भी elections, अगर कोई नहीं होता कोई भी rallies,
Hmm.
even after we are affected by the second wave in India, it's a very true thing. Let's admit it. Okay. लेकिन one thing that we should do at the month of November, at the month of December, at the month of January, कि restriction लगाया जाए, पाबंदियां लगाया जाए elections पे, कि please stop the rallies you have done, please stop the meetings you have to do in coming few months. If you do that thing, if elections commission do that thing, I know election commission is किसके पक्ष में था सबको पता है. It's okay, no problem.
Yeah, we don't want to go there.
I don't want to discuss
Yeah,
about it.
yeah,
इलेक्शन कमीशन किसके कहाँ किसके लिए काम करता है, किसके
yeah,
किसके उंगली पे
yeah,
चलता है, we all know that.
yeah.
But don't argue with that point. But इलेक्शन कमीशन अगर ये करता, elections happening, okay, no problem there. There is no problem in elections, but it have to be according to the COVID rule.
Hmm.
You have to maintain the physical distance. You have to maintain the physical. Physically, we are not at that there. There is a lot
Hmm.
of platforms like Facebook, there's Instagram, there is YouTube, there is
Yeah,
lot more.
yeah, and parties
But
are using it to fullest nowadays. Partying are like the elections are
obviously,
not only contested on the ground nowadays. They are
ground reality. Exactly.
yeah.
They exist. They exist. Their Facebook pages, the Instagram pages, the YouTube pages,
Yeah.
the media pages. There exist. And आपको अगर यूज करना है तो go and use that. Physically, or should not. तुमको पार्ट तुमको नहीं करना चाहिए था ये चीज फिजिकली इस ग्राउंड में हो.
Hmm.
That affect the most, I think. The rallies that I have seen, I have seen in that point of time, on that peak COVID point of time, it's insane. It's insane. There is
How was
no
the situation? How was the
physical.
situation in Bengal? Actually, in Kolkata, you are living in the capital. Like it's very easy to see and judge from outside. Like we are sitting outside Bengal. How was the situation? How was the ground reality? Because we know that it was a very tough fight. How was the situation? Please tell.
It's a situation like uh, what I can say. Let's think कि नरेंद्र मोदी आपके घर के बाहर आके खड़ा है.
Acha.
What is the situation you face? Is
Yeah,
that the
yeah.
exact same situation that happened there? He's just loafing there, here and there. There's loafing here and there. Every day, a prime minister, हम लोग के जो अमित शाह जी है, हर
Yeah.
रोज यहाँ पे आते थे, हर रोज रैलियां करते थे. हम बोल रहे हैं ना दोनों का नाम दे है बिकॉज दे आर द बिगेस्ट.
Biggest, yeah.
उनके नीचे भी थे. देयर इज बहुत बहुत लोग थे यहाँ पे. लोकल पार्टीज जो लोकल पार्टीज यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वो भी. They have done this. They have done it, and they have the huge and millions fan base. And this happened when Narendra Modi is out of his house. What happened? You saw. You just think. It is not Kolkata. It's Gujarat. Okay. Think about it. It's not Kolkata. It's not. नरेंद्र मोदी अगर किसी प्लेटफॉर्म में भी लोग करते घूम देखा जाएगा अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में वहां पे भी क्योंकि ट्रेनें नहीं चल रहे हैं प्लेटफॉर्म में बंद होने चाहिए लेकिन अगर प्लेटफॉर्म में भी दिख जाए नरेंद्र मोदी वहां पे भीड़ जम जाता है. इट्स हैपनिंग बिकॉज इज द पीएम. तो इंटेंशनली आप बोल के आ रहे हो कि हाँ बाहर से कि हम यहाँ आ रहे हैं हम ब्रिगेड में आ रहे हैं. ब्रिगेड इज अ बिग रैली दैट हैपेंड फ्यू डेज अगो. ब्रिगेड में आ रहे थे. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग कि लोग आएंगे. आपको देख के सीखते हैं ना लोग. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको देख के ममता बनर्जी को देख के लोग आप लोग दोनों को देख के ही सीखेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई बाहर वाला आके सिखा के जाएंगे कि हाँ इट्स ओके नो प्रॉब्लम देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. नरेंद्र मोदी आ रहे तो क्या है हम तो घर में बैठे रहेंगे. It's not happening. It's not
Yeah, right. Also, we will have to admit that Narendra Modi is a very influential leader. Whatever he says, people
Absolutely.
follow it. People follow it.
Absolutely.
Like, if he says that go
People
and
should follow it. People should follow it.
should follow
Because
it.
he's the
And
PM.
yeah, right.
Oh,
Right. So,
what is it?
what do you think after so many rallies? Also, why did the people of Bengal voted for Mamata Banerjee? Because now there are a lot of accusations against Mamata Banerjee. Not against Mamata Banerjee, against her party. Like the people there are corrupt. Against Abhishek Banerjee, there were many allegations. Why did the people of Bengal voted and voted in a majority? Why?
You have. I have to give an example.
Hmm.
I've taken the example from Delhi election. What happened in Delhi election? There is no one against Arvind Kejriwal.
Ah,
Here, there is
no
no one
face.
against Mamata Banerjee.
No face.
There is Amit Shah, there is Modi, who came from outside and say there are three MLA party here. Okay, at the first time
Yeah.
they come and say कि we are everywhere. बोलने से सब थोड़ी ना हो
They
जाता
are
है.
going to win 200 seats, more than 200.
More than 200 seats. So हम उसके बारे में नहीं जान रहे कि corrupt. It's absolutely correct. They are corrupt. And today, when we're talking today, there is two cabinet minister, one former cabinet minister, and one Trinamool से छोड़ के चले गए as a leader is arrested by CBI from a corruption case. It is happening now at that point of time when we're discussing it. Okay?
Okay.
So it is clearly we can clearly see it's Trinamool Congress, MLAs, Trinamool Congress, MPs are corrupted. It's absolutely true. But लोग उतना नहीं देखते. It is also true. लोग चेहरा देखते हैं. Who is against Mamata Banerjee? There is
Very true. And also, you know, there are not many accusations against Mamata Banerjee. That is also the
there is
point.
no accusation actually.
No accusations, yeah.
There's no accusation against him, against her.
So
Personally, he's a very, very, very true leader. But his party is nowadays very, very corrupt. I have to admit it. I don't
Good.
want to talk about BJP because
yeah,
there's a
yeah,
lot of conflicts and stress with me.
yeah. Good and fierce. Like she fought it, man. She fought it to the hell. Like this was the first time I was like, someone is fighting them. Like you know, Tejasvi did up to a certain limit in Bihar, but it was khela hobe. It was game on.
No. I have to tell you, na, what is happening in Bengal is the replica of Delhi election. It's absolutely same thing that happened in Delhi. There's no one against Arvind Kejriwal. बाहर से पार्टी के लोग आने से कुछ नहीं होता. लोकल लीडर्स इसका बहुत इन्फ्लुएंशियल है. लोग उसी को बोलते हैं. They are very much
Very
into
true.
them.
Very true.
एक पार्टी जो 20 साल से एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है उसका जो हिस्ट्री है, आप 3 महीने का पार्टी
Very right, very right. Also, Sayantan, you have told us that you are doing BTech now, and you are in the third year,
Yes.
and you have told us that you want to become a social worker after doing BTech.
Yes,
So,
yes,
what is
I
that?
actually have a
What is
plan
that?
about it, what I want to do. Actually, I want to do a thing that should government look into it. Government should look into it.
Hmm.
गवर्नमेंट को देखना चाहिए था कि ये सब होना है. तो गवर्नमेंट नहीं करेगा तो हम ही लोग को करना पड़ेगा कि what we should do is जो लोग बैकवर्ड है, जो लोग पीछे हुए हैं, जो लोग पीछे हैं अभी हम लोग से, तो जिनके पास इतना पैसा नहीं है इस देश में रहने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. इट्स अ वेरी ट्रू. इतना पैसा नहीं है इतना कुछ करके अपने बेटे, although their son or daughter is a very merited student, but they have that not fund to give that college or that school.
Hmm.
I want a big huge NGO, or not called the NGO. It's a very educational center where everything is being taught. Everything. It's from manufacturing of mobile to MBA. Everything is taught from class 1 to BTech, or if whatever
Yeah,
you want to do.
postgraduate, yeah.
Yeah, postgraduate one. It's not only a science. It's not only a science department. I have to say science department because I am from science department. It's humanities. It's also from BCom. Everything is there. Every facility is there, free of cost. और हमको लगता है हमारे देश में ऐसे लोग हैं जो इस चीज को सपोर्ट करेंगे, कर भी रहे हैं अभी इस सिचुएशन में. जितना चीज गवर्नमेंट कर रहे हैं उसको into 100 कर सकते तो उतना चीज इंडिविजुअल लोग कर रहे हैं. टाटा, सोनू सूद.
Very right, very right.
It's happening. So I have a huge dream for making this up, but I don't know how.
No, great. At least you are thinking this way, and I think this thinking has a great deal to do with what happened with you. Like you suffered, you understood that the situation in this country is really bad. Yeah. So
Every problem in our country that happened today, I have to say कि जो हो रहा है आज, everything is related to lack of education.
lack of education. Very true. Very true. At the base.
लोगों को
Yeah.
बोला जा रहा था मास्क पहनिए. They are not understand कि significance of a mask. They are not understanding कि क्यों मास्क पहनना है. ये तो बताओ. लोगों को इतना तो समझाओ. They are not understanding this. Why mask is very important to us.
Very true.
So
Very
I
true.
want a very educational center. It's the thing that I want. For.
Yeah. Then okay. Right. And now moving ahead to some questions that your friends have sent. So these might be some lighter questions. We have talked about the serious stuff. Now we are moving on to something fun and serious as well. So first of all, Pratyush has asked you why do you Kumar Pratyush has asked you why do you keep posting your opinions on Instagram, like your political opinions, whatever you think. Why do you
Not
post it?
political opinion. This is the fact I have post. I have in the story.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
not post the story. It is a fact.
Then Subhendu asks you three things you want to try, but your family won't allow you.
हाँ हमने ह्यूमैनिटीज पढ़ना चाहा उन्होंने अलाउ नहीं किया फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
Oh, you
फर्स्ट
wanted
थिंग
to become an IAS?
नो आई डोंट वांट टू बी आईएएस आई डोंट आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अ प्रोफेसर
Okay. So the first is humanities. Second.
humanities में हम I want my subject combination is the first one is pol science and the
Hmm.
second is the political science. You know. Second is there is a we under that new education policy we take economics in humanities. So economics uh, and then there is a subject called what is it? So English
Literature or something.
economics. The literature, so there's a two literature is well. English literature and Bengali literature, they are the mandatory
Hmm.
thing. But
Hmm.
apart from that, there is a two subjects also you have to take. That is one is pol science. That is one is education.
Let it be. Don't take that as a stress. So the first thing
I'm
that they
not
won't.
thinking of it ना just तुम पूछे और हमको बताना पड़ा था इसलिए
No
अब थोड़ा
problem. No problem. No problem. So
exaggerate.
first thing is that they did not allow you to take humanities. What are the two other things that they won't allow you?
हाँ after pass out I want to uh, done the BBA course. हम BBA
Okay.
करना चाहता फिर हमको MBA करना था ये दो चीज but my father told me there is no value of BBA without engineering without there is no value of MBA without engineering
Yeah, you
without
can do
technical
MBA, but with
everything.
you can
Yes,
do
I
MBA
do
now.
I do I do but there is a thing ना कि आपको जॉब भी करना है पैसा भी कमाना है
Very true. Very true.
परिवार को भी देखना है. Number three is I think they wouldn't allow us. I want to form that I have that dream कि हमको ये करना है but I think they are not allowed us. There is
Third,
two things that थर्ड थिंग कि वो अलाउ नहीं करेंगे हमको पता है नो वन
what?
सपोर्ट कि वो जो चीजें हमको करना है जो एनजीओ खोलना है जो चीजें आपको एजुकेशन में करना है वो लोग नहीं करेंगे
Hmm.
सपोर्ट आई नो दैट
No problem. But once you do it, they will understand, I guess.
हाँ यस एग्जैक्टली
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम मेक्स यू बेटर
Then third thing, Shivam has asked you that what if Modi became the ruler of whole India and of every state as well? Like if there is BJP government in
there
every
is a
state and
there is
at
a
the
there is a
central.
there is a there is a country called Israel no
Oh, just where the
we are look, we are going
where
to
all
be
these things are going on. Then Shubham has asked you that what are the pro and cons of a relationship. Shubham Kumar has asked you.
that person name is Shubham Kumar.
Uh,
There is a lot more talk about
since
him.
I don't want to mention, if you want, you can that you have been in one relationship or not. I don't know. So, so what are the
Pros and
two?
cons of pros is the pros is you, the cons also you, because the thing that happens in a relationship it also lies in your mind. What your mindset is. It's happened. It's a very there is no generalization of pros and cons of relationship. There's no generalization. It's happened to person.
Yeah,
Every
it's
relation में
very
अलग अलग
individual.
like that.
Yeah, right. Now, so moving on to the rapid fire round now with Sayantan. So the first question will be one thing that you like and hate about Narendra Modi.
Uh, उनका सेक्युलरिज्म को सपोर्ट नहीं करना
Secularism
क्लियर
support करना,
सपोर्ट नहीं करना
नहीं करना you hate,
यस
and support like.
support I have to support Modi because of his stance he take and उन्हीं पे कायम रहते हैं हमको ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि नहीं
Right,
पीछे
wrong, whatever. I'm
राइट
not
रॉन्ग
gonna go
it's a
back.
different question but I love Modi because of that कि वो जो लेते हैं स्टैंड उसी पे कायम रहते हैं it's a good
Yeah, yeah. So the same question about Mamata Banerjee. One thing you like and hate about Mamata Banerjee.
he is very honest actually he is very individual I
Individually, yeah.
appreciate it
Hmm.
Nibble is very honest.
And
But
hate.
हेट इज कि अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे वो अपने पार्टी को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा
Okay.
रहे. इस पार्टी
Very
आउट
honest
ऑफ
answer.
कंट्रोल.
Very honest answer. Then third, what is the one best thing about Bengal? If
बेस्ट
you
थिंग ऑफ
have to
बंगाल इज
ask
बंगाली
one
फूड.
thing, Bengali food, which is your favorite then? We know
It's biryani.
biryani.
Bengali biryani. What it consists of aloo, one piece
Okay.
of chicken, and one piece of egg.
One piece of fish.
Where are you, Bhubaneswar?
Okay, okay, okay. So fourth, since you are also like stand-up comedy, so who is your favorite stand-up comedian?
Arun Grover.
Varun, again political. You love political
Not
satire.
political. How he talk. It's a very
What
funny to
about Kunal Kamra then? He's from your state only.
कुणाल कुणाल कामरा इज द पर्सन हमको अच्छा लगता है. बट
Hmm.
तो देखो एक अगर नींबू को तुम ज्यादा दबाओगे तो वो तीखा हो जाता है. यू हैव टू थिंक कि तुमको अपना सब्जेक्ट को चेंज करता रहना है.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You have to dimension in your feet.
Very true. Like I don't want to go. I also don't want to go into the zone whether the which side he supports or not. But his jokes are really good. That I
Really,
definitely
exactly.
believe.
I have no problem with his jokes, but you have to dimension in your feet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then who is your favorite politician apart from Mamata Banerjee?
Arvind Kejriwal.
Arvind Kejriwal. Yeah,
Actually, Arvind Kejriwal is
better.
now in India. He's the best one. I think he's the best.
Okay, okay. The best advice you have received from someone so far.
Don't smoke.
Don't
It's from
smoke.
Shubham Kumar.
Okay, okay. Okay. So the next question, I was thinking that he will give some big line that my father told me once, and he is like, "Don't smoke."
My
Great,
father
great
is not
advice,
like that.
Subham. Great advice, Subham. Then the next question, since I know that you are quite interested in cricket, so who is your favorite cricketer? And this question has a second part also. So first of all, you answer this one. Who is your favorite cricketer?
Uh, First of all, if you talk about the whole cricket history and whole
Hmm.
cricket industry,
Hmm.
this is Saurabh Ganguly.
I
And
knew
now
that.
at that point of now at that point of time, it's
Hmm.
Virat. There is no
Virat Kohli.
Virat.
Definitely. Who can beat him? I also like him. Yeah. And so, whom do you think can be the future of Indian cricket? Like the next Virat Kohli, the next Bumrah, if you can say from the
So
young generation, one name.
I don't want to compare anyone with anyone. I
No,
don't
I'm not
need
asking you to
next Virat
compare,
Kohli.
but I don't want you to compare. But whom do you see as the future from the young generation?
There's a young generation. There is a boy called Prithvi Shaw.
Hmm.
There is second one is Shubman Gill. They're very talented.
No, no, no.
I have
If
to
you
mention
had to ask one that this person is going to be a big thing,
Rishabh Pant is the next
next big
one who
thing,
can change the
bro. I
Indian.
also tell this. I am not again. I am not comparing, but I say that Rishabh Pant has the potential to be the next MS Dhoni. And if
I don't think so कि
no,
धोनी
no,
जैसा
I
बन
know,
पाएगा, but
bro,
it's
but no, not Dhoni जैसा बन पाएगा. I know he won't be able to be a captain like him, but he can be the finisher. He can be the finisher that India needs.
yes, 100%. After seeing the match of Gaba, I just respect him. जो भी
Yeah,
बोले थे कि
definitely, definitely.
अपन ये
That
है वो है. No,
respect,
I have
man.
to
Like he
respect.
has, he has now, also shown a certain amount of responsibility as well. Like at first, he
टाइम के
used
साथ
to.
बढ़ रहा है वो.
Yeah,
ये है
very true.
100%.
Yeah. So the next question is two places a person must visit in Bengal.
About absolutely Kolkata and absolutely Darjeeling.
Kolkata and
Darjeeling. Kolkata
Darjeeling.
and Darjeeling.
And if you could
Just
say any specific place in Kolkata or
yes. I have to say, in Kolkata, there's a lot of historical places and there is a lot of emotional places for me, but not for
hmm,
you, right?
yeah,
Uh, there is a lot of historical places. Like you know that the Victoria Memorial Hall, the Second Hooghly Bridge, the Eco Park.
yeah.
There's a lot more.
Which one is
But
your
I have to
favorite?
say कि
Hmm.
ये सब जगह के अलावा भी there is a thing in Kolkata. If you want to experience it, please come in and
There's a lake.
just walk around it. Just walk around it in night. It's
Okay.
You feel like heaven.
It's a
When
lake.
the College Street, huh?
Lake.
In College Street, there is a place. Then you walk. You have to
Okay,
walk there.
okay. Okay,
You
okay.
have to walk slowly. Walk there with a book, with an English book, or
Oh,
Bengali books, whatever you want.
yeah, yeah. What's the name of
Just
that place?
that is College Street.
College
There is
Street.
a road from College Street to Ganga. Just walk around it, and it's not very clean, not very that point time to be very clean, very बहुत सारा जगह बहुत सुंदर है नहीं बहुत सुंदर नहीं है बट हमको अच्छा लगता है वो जगह I personally feel
Sorry, just differentiating a bit from your opinion, but I would, if I got a chance, I would love to go to Eden Gardens and see a match. Nothing can beat that for me. Yeah. So the
it's a thing it is the जगह जो जिसके बारे में सब लोग जाना चाहते हैं जहाँ पे I
yeah,
know
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah. Then the last question would be that we always ask this question that what would you like to have written on your tombstone? Since you have seen our podcast, what would you like to have written on your tombstone, on your grave once you die?
actually I have a question what is tombstone can you
Yeah,
explain
yeah,
me
yeah.
what is
Tombstone is basically a stone, which lies in on top of the grave, like where a person is.
okay
Yeah,
there is a thing I
yeah,
get
yeah, yeah, yeah. What would you like to have
You asked
written
it.
there?
You asked it in Aryan's voice.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just
yeah.
said, what is this? What is? I don't
No problem, no
get it.
problem. Yeah.
So
So, what would
yes,
you like to have
so
written
this is
up
this is the
there?
light. This is a light. There is a line over me. You can see this. This is a
Oh,
line I have to follow in my life, and
okay, okay.
after
I
my
may
life
not
also.
be really perfect, but I am perfectly real. This is
Yes.
the line that you want on your tombstone. Okay. Yeah. So this was our rapid fire round. So now, Sayantan, how was your experience on our podcast?
It's a very good experience. हम तो यहाँ पे आए हैं पिछले वाले एपिसोड देख के हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Okay, thanks a lot, bro.
It's a very
Thanks.
very
Like
good
when you said,
conversation to you.
yeah.
What?
No, like when you told me that I want to come and want to share my experience, I was like really glad. I was like, okay, we are probably building something very small, but something influential
That's
in a way. But
I have to हमको बहुत मन था ये सब करने का बट द थिंग इज कि एनर्जी नहीं होता है सब में हम पे नहीं है
hmm,
तुम में है तो वेरी गुड थिंग
no, no,
बट
it's nothing like that. It's nothing like everyone has energy, different field. I cannot beat you in the fields you work. I have seen you study. I have seen you do the work in engineering, so it's not comparable. But yeah, so one advice from your side to everyone who is listening to this podcast.
प्लीज क्वेश्चन एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू सी आई हैव टू से दिस सब चीज से सवाल करो जो तुम देख रहे हो सब चीज से ये करो बोलो कि क्यों क्यों माने तुम्हारा बात देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन क्वेश्चनिंग
Question.
आई एम थिंकिंग आई एम थिंकिंग तो कि अगर किसी चीज के बारे में आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं कि ये गलत है क्वेश्चन करना कहीं गलत नहीं है तुमको अगर पता नहीं तो लाइक आई जस्ट आस्क यू व्हाट इज टुम्बस्टोन गलत थोड़ी ना है
Yeah, yeah, very true. Very true.
हमको नहीं पता हमको पता करना है बस आई
Very
जस्ट
true.
आस्क यू
Very true.
this tradition is demolished little bit but I have लोग इस बारे में बात करें कि सब चीज पे क्वेश्चन करो there is nothing wrong with ask
Very true.
question
Very true. Yeah. So thank you, Sayantan. Thank you really much for
thank you
coming on our podcast and not this time really really thank you because you have came and it takes a bit of courage to come and share the journey that you have seen. Especially if it's a different thing when it happens to you, but when it happens to your dad, when it happens to your mom, it's very
exactly
emotional. It's very emotional. I understand that, and and we never say that share this video, but please share this video definitely to let other people understand that what is going on. At least share. We will be releasing the clip where there will be just the COVID talk, and the whole podcast will of course be there where there will be fun also, but especially share that COVID part. It is very imperative to understand what's going on in the situation, to understand what our frontline warriors are doing, to understand
exactly
what the people like Sayantan are going through. Don't let other people go through all that. That was actually the motivation of
हम तो
I think
हम तो
for
किसी को नहीं
Sayantan.
चाहेंगे कि इस दुनिया में कोई ये चीज फेस करे
Definitely, definitely. And
Don't want
also,
to be.
bro, that would be your motivation also. That is why you came here and said all this.
Exactly, exactly. I just want ki people know about it. People should know about it, ki how they approach when they have that kind of patience.
Hmm. Very true. Very true. So thank you, Sayantan. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much to you also. And thank you बोल देना उन लोग को भी,
Yeah, yeah.
Shubhendu and
Subhendu is
Pratyush को भी.
not today. Subhendu is not today here. He was going to be the host alongside with me. He is not here today because of bad weather again. So no
Right?
problem. Thank you. Thank you.